All right, today we're going to be doing some blending and some segmenting, just like we do at school on the carpet. So what I want you to do is to use your fingers to tap it out, or use your arm and tap on your arm all of the sounds that you hear. First, we're going to hear the sounds and make them into a word. So listen carefully. Let's start with B, E, D. Listen again. B, E, D. Did you make the word bed? Nice job. Let's try W, I, G. Make sure they're in the right order. W, I, G. Did you get the word wig? Good job. Let's try another. How about a, p? Listen again. A, p. That word is hop. Nice work. Let's try another. Let's try r, a, g. Listen again. R, a, g. Did you get the word rug? Good work. Last one. Let's try n, a, p. N, a, p. Did you get the word nap? All right. Now let's change it to the opposite way. I'm going to say the whole word. You tap out the sounds on your finger or on your arm. Are you ready? Okay. Tell me all the sounds in the word tug. Did you say t, g? Good job. How about tell me the sounds in mud? M, d. Good job. Let's try box. B, a, x. Good job. Let's try one more. Let's do net. Ready? All of the sounds in net. N, e, t. Good work. Remember, we can use these sounds that we already know to put together to make new words or to read words in a book or on a wall or anywhere else that we don't already know. Let's take a look at a few words together. Wow, look here. Let's look at this first word. We know all of these sounds from our alphabet. B says B, U says A, and G says G. So if we tap those sounds, B, A, G, what word do we get? Bug. Nice job. Let's try the next one. R says E says and D says D. Let's tap out those sounds and see if we can find the word. R, D. Mush those sounds together. Let's do it a little faster. Ed. A little bit faster. Ed. Even faster. Red. Did you hear the word red? Good job. All right. Let's say the sounds in this next word. We have a T. T says t. I says it. And P says p. So let's tap it out. T. It. P. Can you put that word together? Listen again. T. It. P. Did you get the word tip? Good job. Now there are two more words on this page. I want you to sound out those words all by yourself. Okay, let's take a look at the first one. Let's see. C says k, O says and P says p. So if I sound that together, k, p, k, p, k, up, cop. Did you get the word cop? All right, there's one more. Take a minute to try that last one all by yourself. If you need more time, hit the pause button until you're ready. Okay, let's sound it out. T says t, A says a, G says g. So let's sound out the word together. T, I, g. A little faster. T, I, g. What's the word? Tag. Good job, boys and girls.